Hey there, my name is Jeremiah Severin, and I'm the co-founder of LeadingLocal, where we have built a smart business phone system for your independent repair shop. So let me show you how Northwest Auto House uses LeadingLocal to streamline customer conversations and how their service writer uses it daily. So to get started, you can claim your free trial just by entering in some information here, and then activating your trial with putting a card on file. Once that is completed, you will be booking an onboarding call with myself, at which point then you'll be able to have access to the LeadingLocal app, where you will get access to the unified inbox where you're going to spend most of your time. So in here you can track all the conversations that are happening: phone calls, missed calls, text messages. Everything's going to be happening in one place here. So if you have a missed call, like there was one here, if that happens, whether it's after hours or during business hours, we're going to automatically fire off an automated text message to the customer to let them know, hey, sorry we missed you. We can text back here, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. We have all these automations set up in place, so no matter what time of day it is, if it's after hours, we'll let them know that you're closed and that you'll respond in the morning. And then you can have a conversation here. This is where customers can interact with the service writer throughout the service of their vehicle. And then once it's completed, if you want to provide the convenience to customers, you can let them pay online via text to pay. So you just shoot over a text message with a payment link. It's super easy. It takes like 3 clicks, and you send over a payment link for them to pay. And then you can give them information for the lockbox that we'll provide with you, where you can put the customer's key in there, so that way after hours they can come pick up their car. So that's just a quick preview of what is inside LeadingLocal. This has been quite game-changing for Northwest Auto House. They've been using it for quite some time now. The pricing is just $247 per month plus minimal phone fees. So the texting and the phone calls are a as-used basis, so you can add in credits there. We provide $30 worth of credits for you to get started, and we do offer a 90-day money-back guarantee. So if after 90 days you aren't totally satisfied, no problem. Just let us know, and we'll refund your money. So if you're ready to get started, go ahead and claim your free 30-day trial, and let's get started.